What's up, y'all? I had the hiccups a little bit. Let's see if not hiccup. I mean hiccup. I hiccuped. I got the hiccups. Oh, that's terrible. Before she would have pretended to be passed out. Before she passed out. Right. Oh. Oh. I was trying to say hi to my dog and this didn't work. Oh. Oh God. Oh. You ever get the hiccups? I asked my mom how I looked. She was like, "You look dressed up and painted." I'm like, "Great, now you make me feel like a clown." I feel like a clown. Am I a clown? I'm not a clown. But anyway, oh, it's bright and it's hot. I thought I would show y'all me before I, got unpretty. So there's me and pretty. I need more makeup, but this will do for now, okay? Okay. Do I look beautiful? Mwah! Girl, you're so beautiful. Bye.
Smell so fresh and look so nice. Let me put this big boy in your life. That's right. I want your body, need your body. Long as you got me, you won't need nobody. You want it, I got it. Go get it, I buy it. Tell all the broke joker be quiet. Sex on deck.
Looking wonderful, fly so fly, running like a supermodel. My oh my, baby, how you do that? Make a grown man cry.
Oh, baby, you got it all. This outfit, y'all. Okay, see the pants? The pants are all under my shoe. And then the shirt is like hanging down, like it's too big. So, see what I'm saying? Like, it's too big. I really like it, but I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna get it. Because I look dorky in it. Food smells good out here.
This must be important.
Twitch to the nose. Oh. Oh God. I'm sorry.
So mad every time Doris and I would take him to the cleaners. Sure thing. Not exactly. It's the crime scene where Harriet found it. I'm joking. Everything about